Ape wake up. He go to desk. He sit for 8 hours. He go to bed. Repeat. Ape don't move. He don't exercise. He don't even walk to get food. He just order it to his door. Ape body is falling apart. He gaining fat. He always tired. His brain feel like fog all day. He can't focus. He can't sleep properly at night. And his mood swing between angry and sad for no reason. Ape think he need to fix everything at once. Join gym, start diet, wake up at 5 a.m., buy supplements. But Ape wrong. Ape just need to walk.
10,000 steps.
10,000 steps per day changed Ape's entire life. Today, Ape teach you how. First benefit. Ape lose fat without even trying. Walking burn between 300 to 500 calories per day, depending on Ape's weight and speed. This called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It the calories Ape burn from daily movement that not gym. Most apes think fat loss happen from intense workouts, but NEAT actually account for way more daily calorie burn than any gym session. Ape walked 10,000 steps every day for 30 days, and he lose body fat without changing a single thing about his diet. Second benefit, ape brain become happy. Walking outdoor increase serotonin and dopamine production. These are chemicals that make ape feel good and motivated. Walking also lower cortisol, which is stress hormone that make ape anxious and irritable. Ape used to sit inside all day, marinating in stress. Now he walk and his mood stabilize. He feel calm, he feel clear. Anxiety go down. Ape feel like different person after 2 weeks of daily walking. Third benefit, ape have energy all day. This one sound backward. Ape think moving more should make him more tired. But opposite happen. Regular walking improve cardiovascular efficiency. Heart pump blood better. Oxygen reach brain and muscles easier. Ape go from feeling like zombie at 2 p.m. to having steady energy from morning to night. Walking also improves sleep quality. Ape's body actually feel physically tired at night, so we fall asleep fast and stay asleep deep. Fourth benefit, ape brain work better. Walking increase blood flow to brain by up to 15%. More blood flow mean more oxygen and nutrients reaching brain cells. Studies show regular walking improve memory, creativity, and problem solving. Ape used to sit at desk staring at screen, unable to think. Now he go for walk when he's stuck and come back with answer. Some of Ape's best ideas come during his walks. Fifth benefit, ape build discipline without suffering. This the hidden benefit most apes miss. Walking 10,000 steps every day is not hard, but it is consistent. It teach ape to show up every single day, even when he don't feel like it. And once ape build this discipline with something easy, the discipline transfer to harder things. Gym become easier to start. Diet become easier to follow. Studying become easier to commit to. Walking is the gateway habit. Now, how ape actually hit 10,000 steps? He don't need to walk for 2 hours straight. He break it up. Morning walk, 15 minutes. Walk after lunch, 15 minutes. Walk after dinner, 15 minutes. That already close to 6,000 steps. Rest come from just moving during the day. Taking stairs, walking to get coffee, pacing during phone calls. Ape track his steps with phone. He set daily goal, and he don't go to bed until he hit it. Ape started with 0 steps per day and a body that was falling apart. Now, Ape walk every day, and his fat is dropping, his mood is stable, his energy is high, his brain is sharp, and his discipline is growing, all from walking. Hope you enjoyed, and always remember, stay ape.